Ngatho cia mwanya muno makiria mwiroreri wa Gikeno TV ni mwihoko wakwa ukiri thayo wi mukenu amugoro ngenu muturire mwega na mohoro maria tukiri namo ni Kiriga kiria kirigithitie andu na njira nene kiria gitigetie andu na guoya na kuremwo ni wa gwika ni tondu wa mohoro maria mahiuhitie na njira nene nenda cia ukinyaniria andu magitigwo mathamitie kanua makirigwo makurora nako Kiriga giki kiria githiete na mbere na kurika ona makiria ni uhoro wigie ungania wa imone cia maitho uria watafanirio ni kambuni ya Worldcoin thutha wa munene wa watho Justin Muturi kwira kamiti ya mwanya ya bunge irera thuthuria mihango ya kambuni yo ya Worldcoin ati kambuni yo ndiari na rutha rwa gutafania mihango ya muthemba uyu.
Business registration services report Worldcoin, the company does not appear in the BRS database of registered businesses or companies in Kenya.
Justin oigete kambuni ino yehithanirie na watho wa wabici yake udumwe na wabici ya commissioner ire nyabaraga maundu makonie a Kenya magicoka makiambiriria mihango yao mweri wa mugwanja mwaka muhetuku. Oho Justin oigete ungania wa imone ici mubango wari gutonya miturire-ini ya a Kenya na kumenya thiri ciao na hatire kindu kana wira wa kuonania a Kenya aria makorirwo makioyo imone ciao ni metikirite miturire yao itonywo kana thiri ciao cikorwo cikioywo.
On the other hand, Tools for Humanity. Secondly, Tools for Humanity, the other company does not appear also in the BRS database of registered businesses or companies in Kenya.
Tools for Humanity, whether the USA or the German branch are not registered chair with, they are not in the database of the BRS, the Business Registration Service. Only Sense Marketing was registered.
Justin oho akiongerera oigete maundu maria moirwo ma a Kenya guku bururi-ini marahuthirwo nja wa bururi guthondeka mbeca na no mahuthirwo gutafania wikinai. Muthenya wa Jumatatu kiumia giukite niguo arugamirirĩa nene a kambuni ya Worldcoin magekinyia mbere ya kamiti ya bunge niguo kurigicura Kiriga giki kiria gikoretwo mihango-ini ino.
Will I be right, or will this committee be right to conclude that all the activities of the Tools for Humanity in Kenya are completely illegal? And if yes, will this committee also be right to conclude that very strong legal actions should be taken against the associates?
They will be appearing before this committee. They are coming all the way from Francisco. They are coming on Monday. So you have all the time and liberty to ask all the questions that we so wish.
Arugamiriri aya a Worldcoin marehokwo ati ni magakorwo magitariria uria makorirwo magitafania mihango ino matagukirirwo ni thirikari na imone iria makorirwo makioya matwarire ku. Kiu nikio kiuria kiria a Kenya aingi makere nakio na okorwo we na kiuria kingi no ukorwo kinjariria hau uguo ha comment.